Ranking Jynxzi clips.
Okay, looks like a poster. Okay, hold on. Just wait. Next man out today. I heart fighting. Is it like a squirt can? Oh. Have I banned that guy? As God is my witness, that literally smelled straight up like diarrhea. That smelled like diarrhea. On God, that smelled like diarrhea. On God, that smelled like diarrhea. He sent a note. It's only let me do so much up there. So I hope you enjoy the fart spray too. You only sent poop. Anyways, love you, man. And can you shout out Eddie? He sells his ones from Ben. Yo, Ben. Do not send me fart poop. Welcome to Bansville. Come on, guys, really? A wet poop, bro? Wet poop spray? W. Eddie, Mod Eddie, L. Reader, chat. I'm not modding him!